Yes, hello viewers. This is Hassan, a student of Ugulu University, taking you through this tutorial of computer studies. But before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe to get more interesting videos. That I usually make for you. As we ended in the last video of the introduction to Microsoft Excel, I told you that I'll make a video informing you about some of the functions of the Excel. What is Excel used? And in this video, that's what I'm going to do. We are going to make a report card using that Excel. And in that, as usual, you go and open, as I had told you in the previous video, open Excel. Yes. Yes, open Excel. You go on the blank page. As I told you, these are columns. Then we shall write names. Then the subjects, that's a SST, mathematics, let us say science, and English. Yes, and English. So the names, let us say Ivan, Hassan, yes, Hassan, let us say Tracy, Sophia. Let us say those. Okay, let us add one, like black. Let us add black. Yes. So max, that is 76, 98, 4. Yes, 95, 90, 65, 56, 56, 79, 79, that is 80, 65, that is 87, 90, 90, 89, yes, 75. So English 67, 67, 70, 75, 65. So that is English. So remember, in the report card, we need the total, that is 1. Shall need the total. We shall need the position of those students. Yes, the position of those students. We might also need the average. The average performance of those students. But before the average, let us first, let the average come before the position. We shall first find the average. Yes, we shall first find the average, then we shall then find the position of those students in the class. Remember, I have 5 students, so we need to position them. When you are finding the total, we shall use the formula equals sum. After that, open brackets. Open brackets. It is from B2 to E2, as I told you how these cells are referred to. how we name it in the previous videos, sorry, that I made in the introduction to Excel. So you see, that is the total. So you don't need to do this again, as in finding it again, as in going on putting the formula to each of them. After finding one, you just come here at the corner. You see this plus sign here, is highlighted, it is white in color. So bring it and put it in the corner. You see it will turn black, dark black. After there, you double click. You see, after double clicking, automatically the total of these guys, of the students that we are having, all of them will just come automatically. So that is how we find the total. Then for the case of average, it is not that different from the sum. Yeah, you just write equals average equals average. Yeah, open brackets. Yes, yeah, from remember, we are finding the average of subjects. Yeah, you have to highlight. But if highlighting is a problem, like here, if has become a problem, don't make your work hectic. Eh? Yeah, don't make things difficult for yourself. Use another approach. How? You just write manually B2, it is already there. Then put those apostrophe manually. Where do you want to end? That is English in the column E2. Write it manually. You see, it has highlighted itself. So if highlighting is a problem to you, don't make your work difficult. Just write it manually. Then afterwards, close brackets, enter. You see, the average is there. You do the same. Come to the corner, double click, everything will be made. Then secondly, for this average, you can either decrease you can either decrease or increase the decimal places. Yeah, it is indicated up there. You can either increase or decrease the decimal places. So come to position. We are now finding the position. So for the case of the position, we shall use the formula called rank. We are going to rank those students according who is the best and who was the last. So it will equals rank. Yes, shift open brackets. So if you write the formula, they bring you the criteria to follow: number, reference, order. So number, what you can rank these students basing on the total, basing on the average, anything you want. So you can rank them basing on who has the highest average and who has the highest total. It is your choice. So if you have found the average, you can use. If you have found the total, it's upon you to find what to use. So for this case, let us use the total. So we are ranking according to the total, and the first student is Ivan, having the total of 293. But don't write that, just click in that cell that we are talking about, that is F2. After F2, then it's a comma. That means that you see the criteria that they are putting, they have illustrated, or they have shown you. It shows that number, reference, then order. So number, it is F2, then comma, then reference. What do they mean by the reference? Where you start from. So I'm starting from F2. Yeah, you start from where you started. You see F2. So for this case, you can place the dollar sign. Okay, in that reference number, we need to indicate, how do I call them? Okay, for me, we call it dollar signs. On the PC, they are there. On that button, the fourth button, it contains dollar signs. But you can press them manually by highlighting those criteria of reference, then put F4, or you can insert them manually. I told you that dollar signs are there on the PC, whatever the PC you use. So you can insert them manually in front and behind and between like that. Dollar signs, you insert them there. Yes. Insert dollar signs. Insert dollar signs. Then like that. After inserting them like that, then comma. Comma, they will show you that you have finished all those criteria. You see the criteria, every step that you go on, they highlight. When we finish the number, the reference got highlighted. So you have finished the reference and indicated a comma, then the order is highlighted. So they will bring you options, descending or ascending. Descending, that is from the one that has the highest total will become as number 1. The one that has the lowest will be the last. Ascending, it will become like that is having the least total will become number 1. So we need the descending, because we don't, most of the reports that we make, we go on that the one having the highest is considered as being the best performer. So for that case, we take option 0, and after we close the bracket, then enter. You see, it indicates that Ivan is number 4. As I told you, you don't need to do the same. So what you just need is come here, double click, everything will do by itself. Hassan got the first position, Tracy second, Sophia third, Ivan fourth, like that. So in that case, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's what you need. That's one of the uses of Excel. Yeah, that we can do. But before we do the rest, or before proceeding to the next videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I remain as Walungama Hassan, a student at Gulu University. Nice time.